Okay, so today I'm going to show you a card made from Perennial Birthday. Really cute set. It's on page 16 of the Occasions catalog, and it comes with, or you can get them separately, but this kit that has all the days of the month. You can put, your birthdays in. I believe it's 16 cards. So these are the cards that it made. And they're cute, very easy to put together. We can even have a party if you wanted to. I'd supply the stamp set, you buy the kit. We could put one of those together. So I wanted to show you also, because this is Celebration, where when you spend $50, you get to pick a free set. Or now, the last few years, they've been doing other things. Besides, you can get 12 by 12 paper. I'm going to show you a few cards I did yesterday with Epic Celebrations that you could earn for free. So I did this one on blue, and this is with the marker, white marker, chalk marker that we have. Here's for a girl, happy birthday. And then for the guy card, and this could be anything, birthday or just you're awesome. But that can be gotten free with a $50 order. So this is the card. Once you have the set, you could make anything. So this is the card we're going to be doing today. Very simple stamping and coloring, and I'm all about that. Well, sometimes I like to do a lot of detail. All right, so your white piece is 5 by 3 3/4. Pear Pizzazz, 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. And then for the base of the card, we're using my Wisteria Wonder. So this piece is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Now I want to show you, I'm all about tips and tricks. So people think when you score it, and let me see if I can get closer. The score line, you would think you fold it this way, but actually you fold it the opposite way, and that makes the crease so it doesn't crack. So that's my first tip, and I'll get that scored, bone folder, and flatten it so now it's ready for after we stamp. So I'm going to start with my Memento, and here's another trick that I've been doing. A lot of people have trouble with making this stick, so you can clean it. I use Perel when I'm cleaning my blocks, but I've been using, and it's really easy to clean off, photo glue stick. It doesn't get all sticky. I saw it on a UK person video who wasn't a demonstrator. I love to watch videos and learn different tricks. So once you do that, and I'll just show you, like I have all of these already done. So there'll be a little mark there that you can it just wipes off with your cleaner. So that's again set. Okay, so we're going to ink that up. I like to look at the other side, make sure that I have it. And we're going to put that right in the middle. And I like to hold it for a couple seconds, make sure you have a good image. Oh, we're still going to be using that. So now I'm going to come in with this flower and stamp it random. And see, I didn't hold that down well, so we'll have to fix that. I'm just randomly stamping. You want to make sure you don't rock so you don't get, catch an edge, which I just did. And then we're going to take this little piece, throw that in. And then add a couple leaves to that one. And one more over there. And then throw in a couple of these little daisy-like flowers. Another tip is the smaller your stamp, the less pressure you want to put on it. Very teeny sometimes stamps, if you really stamp it down, you're definitely going to catch an edge. And of course I didn't right there. Okay, so that's stamped, and there's another edge. Sometimes I use a sand eraser to get rid of that, but probably not going to worry about it too much. Okay, we're going to cover up that black. And then I'm using daubers to color in the flowers. So we'll start out with the Wisteria Wonder. And you just want to dab the ink on. And this is very quick coloring when you do this. Okay, we're going to switch to Blushing Bride. And just throw that color in there. See how quick that is? Kind of amazing. I used to love coloring with chalks. We don't sell them anymore. But the chalks are also, very quick. If you have eyeshadow at home, you can use that if it's hiding in your closet. Alright, then we're going to take the markers, and just for I want the brush side, and these are double-ended, so you have that fine tip and then the brush tip. And I'm not even coloring in every little spot. Just very quick coloring. See how easy that is? I can teach you how to stamp. Oh, that's the little flower. And we're going to do this. And again, I pull the wrong side. So we're just throwing that little bit of color in there. And like I said, you don't have to, get yourself crazy. Here's a leaf that I missed. Some things you want to color in, totally. So then we're going to put this card together. If you wanted to, you could add a ribbon to it. I don't think, you know, cards always need the ribbon. And voila, fast and easy. And if you get a little glue, you can either use your finger or a little glue eraser. And that's it. And it's done. Very quick and easy card. So you can contact me if you want to book a show, if you want to come to one of my classes. And I'll be having a big shindig soon because this is my 20th year as the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Very, very exciting. So I'll be having like a big shindig here at my home. Watch out for it. See you soon. Bye.